You seem intelligent, but it doesn't appear when it matters. But Zoe is such a smart robot. Better than being a noob in real life like you. Noob in real life. Your mom doesn't even love you. Oh, that's what your mom told us. Yes, yes. Your hair smells like Labubu. That's not her hair. That's just your breath bouncing back into your face. I'll give everything. Thanks, sister. That's what sisters do.
Okay guys, tapos na yung kanta, nakakabilis. Guys, marunong kayo mag-drawing ng tato, parang sa akin. Wala. Ba't wala guys? Wala. Ba't meron? Ano watsua? Kasi basa dito dahil waterproof siya. Uy, huwag mo i-post. Naggagawa mo. Dito, 2% na lang yung ano mo. Lobat na. Okay lang. Okay lang yan guys kasi may demo na ako. Kakawa ako din.
Kasi po yung messenger niya.
Di ba akin to?
Sama ka ba?
Nabawal po ako sa sarili ko. Kasi ginawa ko naman.
Guys, patapos na post ko muna. Post! Okay na yung tattoo. The Demon Tattoo. Guys, hindi siya natatanggal.